Hello everyone, my name is Shirley. Welcome back to my channel From Tutor to Nurse. In this video, I want to discuss flexible job opportunities to do while in nursing school. The reason why I wanted to create this video is to help other fellow nursing students that may be struggling like I was, or those who are like changing career paths and just trying to figure out what job can they do while they're in school. First of all, I want to say congratulations on embarking on this journey. I know it's going to be a fulfilling one for you, and I pray that it goes well and smooth. I'll go ahead and get right into the list of flexible opportunities, flexible jobs that you can do while in nursing school. The first thing you can do, which is what I'm doing right now, is tutoring. Tutoring for me was the best option because number one, it's flexible. Number two, I get to set my own schedule and build something. And then number three, it was low barrier of entry, meaning I didn't have to have a lot of money just to start tutoring. Tutoring is something that you can do, print flyers for free at your local community college or very inexpensive. Create your own little business cards, tell people word of mouth, let it spread. And I'll link my video below if you want to know how I got started with doing my tutoring business and then eventually my nonprofit leg. So far I'm on track to be able to do tutoring while in nursing school. Another option is, which I know is very popular, is becoming a CNA or a home health aide, an HHA. I know those options are very popular because you can either do private duty, and if you get really close with your patient, you're able to have a flexible schedule, or you can work at the hospital, or you can work at a long-term facility or a nursing home or so forth. And normally those facilities, they need care 24 hours, and a lot of them are flexible and part-time. So that is also another good option, is being in a caregiver role. So another option is remote jobs and platforms like call center work. I will go ahead and link below the ones that I found that are also work from home call center type of jobs that are flexible, where you pick your own hours, and it's part-time, and the hours vary of what time from what time depending on what program you decide to work for. Another flexible work from home job that you could do is teaching English online. So there's platforms like Cambly and Preply. So those are also options where you could just teach English at home. They're flexible. You choose your hours and you're at the comfort of your own home. Another option is Study Pool or Course Hero, and where you can reply to other students' questions and so forth. So that is something that you could do from home while you're in nursing school, and it's flexible as well. Creative solution is rev.com, which is Transcribe Me. One of the requirements is you do a typing test and you have to type at a certain speed, and you'll just be listening to voice recordings and just transcribing what's going on. And that's another quick way, another easy way or creative way to make money. And this option is pretty competitive, and I know a lot of people try to do it. I even tried and I wasn't successful, unfortunately, is getting a job at the hospital, whether it's being like a patient sitter or a PRN or just working in that cafeteria area. That is an option as well. However, it is competitive. I've tried a couple of times. And the good thing about it is a lot of the hospitals, they do have tuition reimbursement. So that is a viable thing. And then also it's great for your resume because you are getting into the healthcare field. So you get to know people and they get to know you. So working at the hospital is definitely ideal. Is getting your security license. And getting the security license and doing security at the hospital. That is something flexible that you could do. It's 24 hours. If you got to do the night shift, do the night shift. Getting your security license can be very inexpensive. Another creative option is Rover or WAG, which is more of dog walking or dog sitting. Those are great platforms to earn income while in nursing school. Then there are also the gig jobs, the gig type of work. So Amazon Flex, delivering packages, Uber Eats and DoorDash, delivering food, and then Uber and Lyft, just driving others to certain places. Those are also options that you can do while in nursing school. And the thing is too, you could be creative. There are other creative options. I'm just giving ideas. And from this list, you could do 2 or 3 of them if you really want to hustle, or maybe just 2. Maybe 3 might be too much, but just 2 of them where you do flex jobs and then you do dog walking or whichever. So there you can make it work. If you're really motivated and you're really dedicated and you're really driven, you'll make a way. You'll come up with a solution and make it work. And that's what I did. So why I chose tutoring myself is because I really enjoy teaching. I love work that gives me fulfillment and purpose, and that's what tutoring does for me. And it's been such a great joy, and I just encourage others to do so too. You're doing a great service for the community. You're helping others achieve their goals, and then they're helping you to achieve your goals, and it's just a great partnership. So I just want to give some encouragement to other nursing students out there, or potential nursing students, is be creative. Your income doesn't have to come from a traditional 9-to-5. There are many ways. It's 2025. There are many ways that you can make money, and there are many different avenues you can go. So just because one avenue is telling you no, 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 and no, do not give up. There is always a way. So let me know in the comments if you are struggling to find a job right now in nursing school, or just let me know in the comments if you found something flexible while in nursing school and what you're doing yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.